and welcome to my fiddle channel. Today I'm going to look at a tune which is a popular session tune, not necessarily a traditional tune because it was actually wrote by a chap called Tommy Potts in the 20th century. He is a 20th century fiddle player from Dublin, and this tune is called The Butterfly. I recently did my own arrangement of The Butterfly, which you can see on my channel. I'll put a link in the description so you can take a look at it if you haven't seen it already. And okay, so let's start. So this tune is a piece that's written in 9/8 time, and it's got three parts, so an A, a B and a C part. So I'm going to run through it slowly. If you have got music, that's great, but if you want to learn it by ear, you can do. When I used to go to sessions like local to me, I did actually learn this piece by ear because it's got such a distinctive melody to it. It kind of does stick, and people tend to play it a bit slower at the sessions anyway, so it's a nice piece. So here we go. Okay, so let's have a look at the A section first. So it goes like this. Okay, so there's four little sections to that A part. So first bit goes like this, first phrase. Okay, let's have a go with that together. Ready? 1, 2, nice and slow. Okay, just copy my fingers. Practice that till you've got it. And the next bit goes like this. Okay, similar sort of phrase but different. Watch. Yeah, and again. And again. Okay, then the next one is the same as the first phrase. So you already know that because you just learned it. Like that. Then the last part of the phrase goes. Okay, so on the A string. And again, so you've got it. One more. Okay, let's put the whole A section together. I'll do a bit slower. One more. Now, when you play it in the piece, you'd actually repeat that anyway, so let's do it twice through, as if we're doing the repeat. Repeat. Okay, so that's your A section. So keep running through that until you memorise it, and then we'll move on to the B section. Okay, so I'm going to go through the B section now, which goes like this. Repeat. Okay, so let's start off with the first little phrase of that, which goes like this. Okay, so it goes. So do that a few times. And again. Okay, next phrase goes like this. Okay, so again till you get it. Yeah. Then the next bit goes similar to the very first phrase. Okay, and again. Yeah, and then after that it goes. Yeah, do it again. One more time, starting on that B. Okay, let's practice it through a few times till we get it nice and slow. And again. One more time. Okay, so let's just play through the B part with the repeat after 2. 1, 2. Repeat. Okay, keep going over that till you got it, and then we'll move on to the C part. Okay, so this is the C part. It goes like this. Repeat. So that very first phrase of the C part goes like this. Okay, so it starts on the B. It's got a bit of a grace note, which you can add as you like. So all you could do is a roll. Or just do as a grace note. It sounds just as nice. Okay, let's have a look. Go nice and slow. Ready? 1, 2. One more time. Okay, and the next little bit goes like this. Okay, watch. So it's got that little grace note after the B. One more time. And it repeats that first phrase. Just the same as the first one. One more time. Then the last phrase of that part. Let's do that again, nice and slow. One more time. Okay, so it goes, with the repeat it goes, let's play it nice and slow. And let's repeat. Okay, so let's have a little practice of that C part after 2. 1, 2. Repeat. Okay, keep going through that until you've got it, and then we've got the whole tune. Okay, so now we've learnt those 3 parts of the whole tune, we can put them back together and play it all the way through, nice and slowly, and we'll repeat it as well. So after 2, 1, 2. There we go. So if you enjoyed my video, please remember to like and subscribe, and I'll keep putting more videos on. Thank you very much, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.